Want to make your own tarot cards? Here's how. Using old magazines and Excel blades tools, you can create a custom tarot card from scratch. Let's start with the tools. First, measure the size of the tarot card you want to make. Use cardstock paper so the card is more stable. I'm using an existing tarot card as a size guide for mine. Next, measure out the borders. You'll be cutting out the inner piece later, so take your time here. Use an Excel blades ruler for easier and more precise measurements. Using your Excel blades K26 fit grip knife, ruler, and a self-healing mat, cut the card shape. Then carefully cut out the inner portion as well. After that, grab another piece of cardstock and cut out a backing for your card. Now, it's time to design. Flip through old magazines and look for images that fit your theme. Since we're creating a Hanged Man tarot card, I'm choosing visuals that relate to that symbolism. Once you find the images you like, cut them out using your K26 craft knife. Continue gathering elements for the background or any details you want to include. For the text on the tarot card, you can also cut out individual letters from magazines. Now let's clean up the cuts. Refine the details of each piece and take your time. Always use a cutting mat and a sharp blade for clean results. Once all your elements are cut, start arranging them on the backing. Experiment with placement, but don't glue anything down just yet. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to glue. Use glue and tweezers to help with precise placement. Glue each element onto the backing carefully. Once you're done gluing, trim the excess pieces. Then place the border on top and glue it down. Finally, glue the letters onto the border. And that's it. You've made your own tarot card. You can use this same method to create a full deck and get as creative as you want.